By keeping your TPMS tool up to date, you're making sure that you're always working with the latest OE sensor information. This means having the latest coverage for new vehicle being added, but also having access to new qualifiers being added when vehicle from the same production year uses 2 or 3 different sensor protocol.
With new vehicles being released comes new technology. Tool updates can have 5 to 15 new models added with 30 to 60 vehicles in a given year. Keeping your tools updated will reduce customer complaints and increase your revenues.
As TPMS technology continues to evolve and new features are added, the latest aftermarket sensors may require different service steps to trigger and relearn. With so many different brands and types of aftermarket replacement sensors available, including programmable, clonable, and configurable sensors, it's crucial to have the right tool and tool software to ensure compatibility with the sensors you're working with.
Having the latest tool software means your TPMS tools are operating with the latest feature enhancements. Features like right sync, placard programming, and having the latest programmable sensor coverage are just a few examples of how you benefit from keeping your TPMS tool up to date. We TPMS tool manufacturers invest significant resource when creating, developing, and validating new features that make TPMS service easier and more profitable.
New relearn procedures are added every software update. For example, pre-update, a vehicle might require lengthy drive relearning, but post-update, a new OBD2 relearn procedure might be available, meaning the relearn can be performed in a service bay instead of a long drive cycle. Having the latest software allows us to benefit from these time-saving improvements.